recommended grounding system designed for mobile equipment is to establish an isolated triangle ground system. This involves creating a dedicated grounding system that is separate from the commercial power ground and backup generator ground. Connect signal grounds directly to the isolated triangle ground system. Connect the ATS ground to the isolated triangle ground system. The motor generator should have its own internal grounding system. Do not connect it to the isolated triangle ground system. The power distribution box may have its own internal grounding system. Do not connect it to the isolated triangle ground system. To create an isolated triangle ground system, follow these steps. Firstly, install 3 ground rods at least 6 feet apart and 8 feet deep in the ground. Secondly, connect the ground rods together with bare copper wire. Thirdly, create a ground busbar within the communications load. Fourthly, connect all signal ground wires, the ATS ground wire, and any other grounding wires required to the ground busbar. An isolated ground system firstly isolates sensitive communications equipment from ground loops and noise. Secondly, prevents ground currents from interfering with signal transmission. Thirdly, protects equipment from damage in the event of a ground fault. It is essential to ensure that all equipment is properly grounded in accordance with applicable electrical codes and standards. This should be done by a qualified electrician.